Take a ride in the 2021 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, remote engine start, all-wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.